So guys, welcome again to another new video. So today we are traveling to Frankfurt with Adrian and Maftuna. So let me show you people, guys. So here's Maftuna, this is Adrian. So and then we have Mercy over there. I can stretch him on a Mercy. Show the Mercy. Us? Hi. Tabs.
Niaje?
Hi.
Ole sabu zako. Unajua tumebaki na stage gani?
Tubakisha?
Mbili. Nikitoka kutoka. Mimi nikituacha tu wana wasitoboi.
Hivi wana hapana.
Jo.
Wana lazima tumechukua hiyo train.
Ujifunge vizuri. Ukienda funga kanda.
Aso?
Yeah.
Kind of finger.
Yeah, genau. Yeah. So guys, tunafikiria tuta connect your train nyingine. And then for now, so tutakumbia kwa bagi yangu. Hiyo tutakimbia proper. We just left our cat alone. She's gonna stay alone for 24 hours. We just hope she's gonna be fine tomorrow. Yeah. So guys, we're getting out right now. Go to Nalala. Bro, nataka kutoka mimi nakimbia kwa leo nitanipata Frankfurt kesho kutwa.
Hivi tu shule.
Hizi milango. Haya toka. Kimbie. Adrian, person. Langsam. Where is Adrian? Adrian, langsam. Ni mzito. Tuwezana. Dry. Hey, Abba. Kimbia. Above passing. Nimeamsha kama kawaida.
2 hours later.
So guys, just arrived in Frankfurt City. So in Frankfurt City. Something here.
One eternity later.
Guys, this is our car. As you can see, there's Maftuna over there. Yeah. It's a beautiful car for you. Huh? That's the car. That is the inaitwa Opel Mokka. So let me show you inside. Do you need anything in the boot? I don't think you need anything. Let me open the car so that Eden can go inside. Eden, have opened the car? So let me open the boot, you see? So that's the boot. The boot is very small, but tumesheka vitu zetu ndani. We bought some sand and everything. The boot is actually very small, but it's not that bad. Let me go and show you inside. That's maftuna zagalo. So here's maftuna going inside. She already closed the door. So, and this is my cockpit. It's already dirty inside, so we have been using the car for some days now. Like the window has everything, as you can see. Hey, let me enter, then I show you everything. Hey. So the car is full already. So guys, here's the cockpit. I'm gonna open the engine because, as you can see, windows ziko gedemped. So that's how you open the car. Nasikia radio imeanza. So I have to reduce the voice of the, like, hiyo ndo cockpit yetu hapa. So when mnaona mafuta yamebaki hapo yenye zanipeleka 150 kilometers, I have to tank soon. So alafu hapa ndo kuna place ya kio. Like, I don't know guys, the lighting is so bad, but we're gonna do this. So hapa ndo kuna lighting ya lights zangu. As you can see, hapa unapeleka hiyo fan light, like your full beam unapeleka na huku mbele. So this is actually how everything is. Let me give Mafuna to record me as I finish. Mafuna put on our belt. So guys, here ndo handbrake yetu. Mafuna, you can show people the handbrake. This is our handbrake. I'm just gonna be putting my leg on the... But why is the screen like that? Let me put the car on. So right now the car is on, and it was so quiet, very, very quiet. And then we have everything here. Everything, we have it here. So we have the park, then you have the reverse, you have the neutral, you have the driving. Like, and this is the handbrake. So I'm just gonna be waiting for the key to be good, the window to be good. It's gonna be good within some seconds, not like the other car which one I was using. And like, guys, as you can see, the steering wheel is so small, but it's very, very nice. And then I wanna move in front. I wanna show you how I'm driving this car. I wanna show you the cameras. Like, guys, you have everything in this car. Where you have a USB here for iPhone, and the other one for the normal phone. So in case you have an iPhone, you can just plug it here. And we have also, you can put your drinks here. You can also open here and put whatever you wanna put. So they're inside, and then you can close. Then, as you can see, the window is now good. The window is now good. So I'm just gonna, like, now we are starting to drive this car. And then I'm just gonna put the car on. I'm gonna show you. No, I'm not going to go reverse because there's a car behind me. I don't wanna mess. So I wanna put the handbrake down, and then the car will move in front a little bit. So let me show you guys how it's going. I wanna show you the camera when I'm moving reverse, how the camera it is. Yeah. So let me stop here. Let me go to reverse. And then you see, here's the camera. I'm not even supposed to turn my head behind because we have everything here. So right now, I'm gonna find a way of getting out from here. So I'm gonna turn back to driving, and then I just blinker. When you blink and you...
The next day...
Guys, today we are vacuuming the car. We wanna go and clean it. As you can see, imechafuka sana. We wanna go and clean the car. So she's doing this side, and then I'm gonna do the other side. I was on the phone, that's why she started doing it. But naenda kufanya side ingine. So here we are. The car is really dirty. As you can see, when you have a family, you cannot expect to have a clean car. So we are here cleaning it on all the sides to be clean. She's doing a good job on that side. Alles klar?
Ja.
Ja, immer auf die Seite ist immer viel. Ne, da bei dir auf die Seite. Ja, genau, und unten. Genau. Ja, und da oben auch. So guys, I have to take over. Let me help her. So guys, I just finished wiping here, vacuuming here. And then we're gonna be wiping the car. I just wiped down here. Gonna be wiping it. Because if you don't maintain the car clean, you never have a good car for a long time. So we have to clean it. That's how you're supposed to clean it. And the other side too. So Eden also had Zauberg mark here. Yeah.
It's finished. Now I'm putting here. Here in front. Oh. You need to go right now?
You know the phone was not recording. So the guys, the weather. Very cold. Very cold. Tunaumia hapa. Why? It's very cold. So the next step is taking the car to the other place. Like guys, hii gari sijaonyesha introduction hii gari yote. This car is a very nice car. Unaona hapa? Here you have the measurements of the tire pressure, how it's supposed to be. And then on the oil part, let me show you how you open even the oil. Mi leo oil yangu nilikuwa nimezoea kufungua na kifungu. Let me show you how you open this one. It's here. Let me show you. Can I show them how we open it? Ne? You also don't know. We just press here. You see?
What?
Yeah, the other one you used to open with the key. And then here we have all the requirements. You have to put E5 or E10 benzene. And then you close it again. So, like that. So,
can I do it?
Yeah. Okay, leave it. So guys, I want to finish here mopping here, and then we put our carpets, and then we go here to wash our cars.
Yes.
I'm gonna show you the next step, so stay tuned. The tire pressures are good. You don't need to change them. Tire pressures are in odd now, so when I still wipe here, even here inside is dirty. I have to wipe it. So guys, right now we're going to pay. We're going to pay slowly. The cars are coming from this side too. We're going to pay, so and then we go and wash the car.
And then we show our car to everyone.
Yeah, they already saw it. So let's go and choose. I'm gonna be paying for the premium one. The one is gonna be cleaned so well, and it's gonna be clean and sparkling, shining. So let's. Hallo. Waschen, genau. Und mit dem Premium nehmen wir.
17,99.
Jetzt alle mit Karte? Oder habe ich Geld dabei? Oh, I thought I was talking. I was not even talking. So guys, just got everything here. That's costed us like 20 euro, like Kenya shillings, 2,000. So like I was talking to her, asking her if one can wash the car on Sunday. She said no, you cannot wash the car on Sunday because it's verboten in Germany. So I didn't know about that. I always thought, why can't someone wash the car on Sunday? Anyway guys, so we're gonna go and drive the car. So we're gonna be cleaning it, and then we go to the other side. Yeah, you're going to the other side. Get inside. So see you in the other side. Go. So we're gonna be going now to the washing place. There's a car parking behind me over there. Tina is gonna get inside the car right now. So there's a car here behind me. Oh, Platz hier inside.
Im vergangenen Jahr seien fast 11.500 Beschwerden dazu eingegangen. Wie die Abzocke abläuft, weiß SWR-Reporterin Linda Monitor. In den betrügerischen SMS geht es oft um angebliche Zollgebühren. Wenn man die bezahlt, bekomme man sein Paket. Oder aber das Paket habe nicht zugestellt werden können, weil Adressinfos fehlten. Der Empfänger wird dann aufgefordert, den mitgeschickten Link anzuklicken und dann auf der Website Daten einzugeben oder Geld zu überweisen. Bloß nicht, warnt die Bundesnetzagentur und rät sich, die SMS genau anzugucken. Außerdem würden Paketdienstleister wie DHL nie per SMS nach Geld oder Daten fragen. Der SPD-Parteitag in Berlin hat Olaf Scholz als Kanzlerkandidat bestätigt. In seiner Bewerbungsrede hat er gesagt, es sei nicht die Zeit für Sprücheklopfer und nicht die Zeit für CDU, CSU. SWR-Reporter Clemens Schulze vom Parteitag in Berlin.
Zahlen, das sei mit ihm und der SPD nicht zu machen.
Ihre Teams haben den betroffenen Gemeinden Unterstützung versprochen. Eine Spende von 5 Millionen US-Dollar soll unter anderem an das amerikanische Rote Kreuz und die LA Fire.
So guys, we have to wait for that car over there. There's a car inside. Oh, ich kann nicht mehr zoomen, es sieht gar nicht. Das ist nicht iPhone, oder? So, wir müssen noch 6 Minuten warten. Ja? Yeah. So guys, here we have our car inside. Hey, mtusumbua kuosha. Hey, yeah? So guys, we are waiting for 9 minutes as usual, but the car is inside right now. Hey, that was catastrophic. And we had to absorb the antenna.
Why?
Yeah, because it can go kaput with that thing. You see? It can make it go kaput. Here it is. Our car got safi sana. Draußen. So guys, here's the car. Imengara kungara. So guys, we must this antenna vida here machen. We have to put the antenna vida. I have to make sure I come near it. So ich Doch in einen Stuhl.
Ja. Oder ich gehe hoch und dann.
Ja, jetzt Mama hat geschafft.
So I was making this thing to put it back. Hey, sini kazi kurudisha. He broken and stool. So guys, the car is very clean. Here's the car, very clean.
And sparkle, you see?
No, outside the window, Eden made it dirty. Wir müssen das mit dem andere genau mit das hier rein sauber machen. So the car is sparkling clean, very very clean. Ja, nicht von außen, von drinnen. So,
Oh my god.
here's the car. And we are done. Now we're gonna go home. My work today was just to clean this car. So the car is clean. Bye bye guys.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Me.
Yeah.
Me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Me. Me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Me. Me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?